Hello, this is a video to review solving systems by substitution, and this is the second way that we learned. The first way was graphing. So here are the steps to solve a system by substitution. You can pause the video and review these as you need to. Okay, so here's a system and they ask us to solve this by substitution. So first thing we want to do is see if you have at least one equation solved for x or y. In other words, says x equals or y equals. You can see the second equation we have x equals, so we have that. So this means we can substitute it into the other equation and replace x with what it equals. So x equals this, so it's going to go in for x right there, okay? So we're gonna write a new equation and substitute x with what it equals, in this case negative 4y plus 16. Okay, and then plus 2y equals negative 12. So I'm just copying that first equation, substituting in for x. All right, so now I have to do some simplifying here. I'm going to distribute the 3 to both the 4y and the 16, so I would get negative 12y plus 48 plus 2y equals negative 12. Okay, before you can start solving for y, you have to combine like terms. So we have negative 12y and 2y. These two right here, we're going to put together. Okay, so negative 12y plus 2y is negative 10y plus 48 equals negative 12. All right, so now I can start solving for y. So the first thing I will need to do is get rid of this 48. So I'm going to subtract 48 from both sides. I have negative 10y equals negative 60. Okay, so I'm going to go up here to the top. Let's see, so we have negative 10y equals negative 60. And lastly, I need to divide by negative 10 on both sides to solve for y. So that would give me y equals 6. Negative divided by a negative there, be careful with your signs, is positive there, so y equals positive 6. All right, so now I've got y. Remember, we're looking for where these two lines cross, so I need an ordered pair, an x and a y. So now I'm going to solve for x. And I want to look back here at the original equations, and clearly the second one already says x equals. Well, that's what I'm trying to find. So I'm going to plug now y equals 6 into that. So we have x equals negative 4 y plus 16. And we're going to put 6 right there. So I have x equals negative 4 times 6 plus 16. Okay, well, that doesn't really look like a plus sign. All right, there we're a little bit better. X equals negative 24 plus 16, and that's negative 8. Okay, so where do these two lines cross? They cross here at the ordered pair negative 8, comma, 6. Make sure you write your answer as an ordered pair. And there we go. Hope that helps refresh your memory on substitution. See you later.